Hi, Charlotte. So I'm just
Hi.
going to ask you a few questions about the workshop that you came to back in November, just to let people know really what you thought about it. So what was the main reason you came in the first place?
So one reason I came was that I've never been to Ashdown Park before, and I really wanted to go there because I'd heard very good things about it. But that wasn't the main reason. I've obviously done a course with you before, the Mindset and Motivation course, and that was very interesting, and also made me question a lot of things about myself and motivational. And knew that when you do talks, they're always about interesting things. So I was a bit sort of hurried when I was booking it. I hadn't really read what you were going to do or anything, so I was open to anything. But I knew whatever it was going to be good, and I was quite stuck in a situation at that particular point that I wanted to move forward from, and I was hoping you might be able to help me.
And what did you enjoy most about the day?
It was lovely meeting other people that were in the same situation as me and feeling kind of this blockage, and we all had different reasons for being blocked. I know a lot of your talks that you've done recently about worrying about what other people think about you. I don't really worry about that too much, but I do have other sort of blocks, maybe worrying about what I think of myself.
Yeah.
And it was really interesting to learn that other people feel like that, or that they don't feel that they should have a problem because they feel that they should be okay. And that was really interesting and made me feel a bit more normal, and that it was okay that I felt like that. I wasn't the only person feeling like that. So that was really good. I also really enjoyed sort of doing the sort of more active things that we did. So the mediation that we did was really quite eye-opening. Meditation, mediation, that on the brain. Meditation even, that we did. Because that was a real eye-opener actually as to what's going on in there. And that there are people around to support me. I think a lot of women feel that they, in this age, that the sort of the traditional village is gone. We don't live near our parents necessarily. We don't live near family. And if you don't have a strong network of friends, you can feel incredibly lonely and unsupported. And that was good going through that meditation.
Yeah.
You find, actually, there are people I look up to and I could rely on. So yeah, it's good.
And what do you think was the outcome of attending the day? What's changed for you since?
I'm slowly unsticking. It's a very slow peel. It's like one of those TK Maxx stickers that take a long time to come off. I don't think there is a magic solution to get it off, but I am being more open to the idea of where I am stuck, and slowly peeling that off. And I think that's really helped going to that course, to the course even, to help me know that I can do it, and if I want to do it slowly, that's okay too, just to be able to move forward a little bit, rather than just staying where I was, the comfortableness.
Yeah, we all know that one. So what would you say to somebody that was thinking about coming?
Go, definitely go with an open mind. Go with a packet of tissues, and your swimmers, because the spa's nice as well.
Yeah, spa's nice.
And go, with an open mind. And it might not happen all at once. It's not a quick fix. It's something you do have to work on, and it might be something that you go back to many months later, like I have, and it might take a little while for that penny to drop. But yeah, definitely go. It's definitely worth the money. I think that could be a barrier to some people. It definitely was to me a bit. I was a bit like, ouch, but the facilities were amazing. The talk that we had from the speaker was really, really interesting, really good and very relevant. And Lisa's brilliant, so go.
Thank you.
Good.